What's up, class? Evans here. Time to go take a look at making this half section part. It kind of looks like a lampstand, like the bottom of a lamp post. But to start it off, I need you to pause this video and try to make this part. Link in description to the actual video right here, where you can get all the dimensions to. I recommend that you basically look at the drawing that we made and use a revolve. That's what I did. I used a revolve around a little sketch there. But if you want, you can actually just extrude out the different donut looking shapes. Um, Keep in mind that the hole at the top, which is a radius of 0.5 or a diameter of 1, is not the hole that's at the bottom. The hole at the bottom is about a quarter of an inch bigger. So this one here is actually, this little circle is actually a radius of 0.75 or a diameter of 1.5. So keep in mind that. And if you look at it from this view, the little notch on the outside is not the same as the notch on the inside. So giving you those hints. Go ahead and pause the video right now and try to make it. And then I'm going to put the holes on it. There are 4 little holes that are for bolts, and I'm going to show you how to do those really easy. All right, so I'm going to show you how to put these holes here really fast. I'm going to click here. I'm going to put a circle right on this line. And it is a diameter of 0.5. No, that can't be right. It's probably a quarter an inch. 0.25. Sorry. There we go. That looks right. Always got to look at the scale of things. Now I want it to be exactly in one location, so I'm going to click the center here and click the center here. And this should be exactly 1.25. There we go. And now I would like to repeat that. And there's a simple way to kind of pattern things. It's called a circular pattern. I'm going to click circular pattern. I'm going to click on this circle right here. And it already knows to select the middle. And that only happens if you make sure to put this stuff in the middle. And I want this to be 4. Of course, if you're having problems doing that, you can just put 4 circles on each one of these lines. And then we want to extrude that as a hole that goes all the way through. Got to hit remove, so it's a hole, and might as well put it all the way through. All right, so now we've got our part. Again, we want to go ahead and go straight to creating a drawing. The ANSI 8" is the standard page we're using. Again, if you have loading problems, don't forget the trick to copy and paste the link into an extra tab and force it to open there. If it doesn't work in about 5 seconds, jump to your original tab, force it to open there, and then it should usually open. So we want to, of course, insert this part. And we had the front view and the right side. And I'm going to click on the front view and do a top view. And then I'm going to click on the front view again and do an isometric view. And I want to go back and I want to delete the front view. And I want to make a section view. I think we want to do an angled section view. To do that, I need to mark where the center is. And here to here. See if I did it right. I might have done it backwards. No, that's not right. All right. So as you can see, I totally got lost there, but I think I figured out what we need to do. So I'm going to come up here, click on section view. There's vertical, horizontal, and angular. So I'm going to click angular. I'm going to come and I'm going to click the center. And I'm going to jump over to the side, trying to be as horizontal as possible. And I want to snap right to that meeting point. And then I want to come down here. I don't want that little zigzag thing. So I'm going to come over to the right for a little bit and move back to the left and get right below that circle and click. And then I'm going to move down. It kind of moves oddly. And I'm going to click and then it places it. And as far as I know, that's probably the best we're going to get. That was a little bit confusing. I'm not sure why that was so complicated. I don't really like the way this thing looks. You can click on it and move it individually. Like I can try to relocate this more on center, which would be good. Looks like it's going to jump over some if I do that. Boy, that's a little confusing. Well, it's the best I can get from it to look like what we already did. So that's it for today. You're just going to, of course, put the name here, just like we did in the last ones. This is half section view practice. And then, of course, type your name. And then hit the share button. Again, make sure that you're sharing it with my email and you have my face up here, and then click link sharing and do turn on link sharing and copy to clipboard and then paste it either in Canvas or in Google Classroom. Send me your work and I'll be happy to add your grade to the gradebook. Hope you do well. Bye.